Welcome to InstantGMP. Today, we're thrilled to demonstrate a key feature of our software, barcode scanning. Designed with GMP standards in mind, our barcode scanning feature minimizes errors, ensures accurate material usage during batching, and streamlines interactions within the system. Our responsive design supports standardized 2D barcode labels, compatible with both Code 39 and Code 128 scan guns. Plus, our design allows users to utilize their mobile device's built-in camera for barcode scanning, reducing the need for additional hardware. Let's dive into how our inventory system leverages barcode scanning. Watch as an operator effortlessly completes tasks by simply scanning the label to initiate actions and record necessary information. For instance, imagine a quality assurance individual releasing a material from quarantine. By scanning the label to change its status, they access a window displaying attachments and reviewable metadata, empowering them to make informed decisions. Once all data is reviewed, the QA rep can approve the status change. After release, QA may need to physically move the material from quarantine to an approved location in the warehouse. They can again use the scan function to update the material's location. When it comes to consumption, warehouse or manufacturing teams can easily use their mobile devices to scan labels with the built-in camera, recording depletion and providing signatures. Note the convenience of the badge ID feature on the signature screen. User badges can also be generated and scanned for signing purposes throughout the system, ensuring accountability and traceability. This scanning functionality extends across batch records, badge IDs, equipment logs, and room logs. Ready to boost your GDP through efficient scanning processes? Reach out to your sales representative today to learn more about InstantGMP's capabilities.